Hey, what's happening, guys? Happy Friday to you. Got something completely different today. This is an old intercom out of a school here in Toronto. Got some sort of name on it, huh? We'll take a look at that when we get closer. But these hung on the wall in each classroom, and the office could call down and, request a student or whatever they needed. You spoke into here. This was your listening piece, and it hung on that little thing there, and that's what hung it up for you. So we'll get this down on the bench and have a better look. So just to recap for those of you who don't really know me or follow the stories, my dad, who passed away in 2018, worked for the Toronto City Schools his whole life. He started out as a janitor in this school right here. This is the only picture I can find. Franklin School. Later on, he became the maintenance guy, and he also drove bus at the same time. So he's a busy dude. But this is the building that this thing came out of. And I started attending the Toronto schools in 1974, I think. And it was already not a school anymore. It simply used like an administration building. And by the time I had graduated high school, they tore it down. And that is where this guy came from. So we look up here. Here's the bell. And there is a catch right here that we're going to try and take off. Although I'm not feeling especially lucky. There's one there too. I don't think the fact that these haven't been off in, a very long time. Hey, that's not bad, huh? This will be the one that won't come off, right? No, right off. And that is a wooden box that somebody made. That is fine work. Look at that. You can see the kerf marks from where it was sawed. So what we have here, just a couple coils to ring the bell. And there's the wiring from it. And as you can see, it is exposed wiring. Oh yeah. That's going to take a bit to get in there. That's for sure. Alright, let's see if we can get into the intercom. That looks like it says couch. Maybe telephone? Can't quite tell. There's the wire coming in. Man, is that stiff. Bunch of little wires tucked up in there. But what I'm trying to figure out is how is it mounted? Give me a second to work on this. I'll be right back. Man, is this thing old and crusty. This has been in the garage here since the 1980s. I have no idea why my dad brought it home. This isn't really getting me anywhere. I'll be back. Yeah, I found a couple of really crusty flatheads. I guess they're not that bad if I can take them out with finger strength. This one may be somewhat more challenging. Now my light won't go on. Alright, what we gotta do here. Kind of clean that out. One moment. Well, as you can see, I removed the bell mechanism here, and I was able to get that second screw out. So all we got on the board there is a mounting plate. And here's the inside of our thing. T and C, these are marked. There's our disconnect. T and C. Something in common. But that's all there is to it. I'm pretty sure the way this thing worked, one second, is there were one of these in every classroom. And then the master was in the principal's office. And the principal had some sort of switchboard system to go to each room. So it's simply a direct connection between each room. There was no, you know, automated switching or anything like that going on. Just this. Interesting. That says trademark, by the way. Couch trademark. Wonder if we can make this bell ring. Oh, I'm betting we can. It's yep. Let's fire up the power supply. Got to get the right connectors on it. Oh, those were the right connectors. One moment. Alright. I got this set for 5 volts. We'll see what happens when we power it up. Kind of moves. Not enough power. Let's take it up to 12 volts. Well, the way this is behaving, it's probably an AC system. Here it is on 24 volts. Just playing around today. I found that in the garage. I thought it was interesting that you guys would get a kick out of it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.